Okay, so welcome to you. Now we'll go to the line integral. Okay, that is the integrals of the vector valued functions. So there are different types of the integrals. So that we will see one by one. Okay, so first we will see what do we mean by a line integral. Okay, so let it be the function defined on the curve C of a finite length. Then the line integral of a along C is defined as. So you should not do like this, but just remember this is what this is the sum of this areas now here. Okay, so this is also the sum of the areas. Okay, so how to evaluate the line integral now? This. Okay, so this is what the Riemann integration part is not familiar with you. This just remember this only as a definition. Okay, so how to evaluate the line integral? Find the smooth parameterization of this curve. You have to find the smooth curve with the given data. You have to find this smooth curve. Okay, and evaluate the line integral like this one. You have to replace x as the g of t, y as this and this, and you have to find this mod of v bar of t. That means you have to take the derivative of that one r bar. So you have to find this r bar. So this one derivative of so this v bar you are familiar with this one. Just get it. So this is the one variable function, and just you can integrate this. This integration is a vector, no problem for this one. Okay, so now note that. So how to you suppose along the path C is what the ellipse is given to you. So you have to find this r bar of t. Okay, so your r bar of t is what then? R bar of t means what? X I bar plus y j bar plus z k bar. Okay, so you have to put what if you have this integral. Well, the line integral along the curve along the C. So C is what? X square plus y square plus y square. So you need the r bar of t now. Okay. So for this ellipse is given to you, x is equal to a cos t, y is equal to, that means your r bar is what? A cos t I bar plus b sin t j bar. Okay. So you have to consider a full ellipse. So this is what? This is what 0, not 0. This is not a now. This is 0 to 2 pi. You have to full ellipse. So it is 0 to 2 pi. You have to take t. T is what? 0 to 2 pi. So this is what counterclockwise. That means anti-clockwise direction is there. Okay. If the clockwise direction is there, then you have to take minus b sin t. Y is what? Minus b sin t. If your direction is clockwise direction, then take this minus b. Okay. If your curve is a circle, then use this parametric. So that means what? Use the parametric. X is equal to a cos t. Y is equal to a sin t. Instead of b sin t, just you have to take the a sin t. This is what counterclockwise, anti-clockwise direction is there. Okay. If it is a clockwise direction, take y is equal to minus a sin t. Okay. So remember this. This is a parameterization. You are while solving the problem, we need to use this. Also, they will ask for the objective also. So for clockwise, clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, what are the parametric equations for circle? What is the parametric equation for the ellipse? Okay. So then if y is equal to f of x is function like this, you have given this curve is what? Y is equal to f of x. Just put y is equal to t, then put x is equal to t, then you get a y in terms of t now. Okay. So if x is equal to g of y, then put here what? Y is a t now. So x is equal to g of t. You will get a parametric equation. Suppose the curve is what? The line segment joining the points is given to you. Okay. Okay, so then this is what? R bar of t is what? 1 minus t. This is what? X naught I bar plus y naught j bar plus z naught k bar plus t into x1 I bar plus x2 j bar plus x3 k bar. So simply what? X is equal to 1 minus t x naught plus t x1. Y is equal to this. These are the parametric equations you will get for the line joining the points also. Okay. So, with the help of these 5 points, we will solve the line integral. Okay, so just we'll solve the line integral. You will understand how to apply these two also while solving the problem, how to apply these 5 nodes. Okay, so we'll take a problem and then you will understand how to find the line integral, and you will realize that the line integral is also very simple. Evaluate the line integral. So see x square plus y square dx plus twice xy dy along the curve C. X is equal to t y is equal to 2t square, y is equal to t square, 0 less than equal to t less than equal to 1, t is equal to sin u for 0 u pi by 2, t is equal to pi by 2. Okay, solution. Solution. Let I is equal to, like this, see, x square plus y square dx plus twice xy dy. Okay, so x is equal to t, x is equal to t. This is what? Sin u. Okay, so y is equal to what? 2t square. 2t square means what? 2 sin square u. 2 sin square u. Yes. Okay, so dx is equal to cos u du. dy is equal to 2 means 4 sin u cos u du. Cos u du. Okay, so what is the range of this? Okay, so u is equal to, so t is equal to sin u. T is equal to sin u. Oh, range of u is given, that is what? 0 to pi by 2. No need to find this. Okay, no need to find this. Okay, so therefore I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2. You have to put x is equal to sin u. Okay, so this is what? Sin u, sin square u plus y square means what? 4 sin raised to 4 u. Okay, now dx, what is the dx? Cos u du, cos u du plus twice x, x is what? Sin u, y is what? 2 sin square u. What is dy? 4 sin u cos u du, 4 sin u cos u du. Okay, so this is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so we'll take a du common and we'll simplify this. This is what? Sin square u cos u plus 4 sin to the power 4 u cos u plus this is what? 2 4 8 16. Now 16 sin to the power 4 u, sin to the power 4 u cos u du. Okay, okay, so this is what? 0 to pi by 2. This is what? Sin square u cos u plus, you can add this. This is what? 20 sin to the power 4 u cos u du. Okay, I can take cos u common, no problem for this. I will take cos u common. Okay, so cos u du is common. Okay, so this is your I now. Okay, now see here, no need to actually, okay, so we'll take cos u here, no problem for cos u. Okay, no, okay, so now see, this is what? If you put sin u is equal to t, then this is what? Sin u is equal to t, then this is what? Cos u du is dt, cos u du is dt, means this is what? T square, this is what? 20 t raised to 4 now. Okay, so now because derivative is attached here, directly you can integrate. This is what? Sine cube u upon 3 plus 20 sine to the power 5 u upon 5 u. This is what? 0 to 5 by 2. Because the derivative of sine u is attached here. So this is of the form. This is of the form f of x to the power n into f dash x dx. So this is what? F of x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. This is the formula. Integration of f of x to the power n. So this is what? F sine to the power. This is f of x is what here? Sine u to the power n is there and derivative is there. Okay. So you have to increase the power and you have to this. Okay. So now if you put u is equal to 0, so everything is 0. That means we have to put only the upper limit only. Okay. Sine cube u sine pi by 2. So this is what? 1 by 3. So this is what? 4. This is 4. So this is what? 12. So this is 13 by 3. So this is 13 by 3. This is 3. 13 by 3. Okay. Why t is equal to sine u is given? So no need actually t is equal to sine u. So for 0 to 1 also we can do this. Integrate f of x y z is equal to x minus 3y square plus z over the line segment joining the curve over the line segment C, joining the origin, joining the points actually, joining the origin to the point 1 1 1. Okay, solution. Let R is equal to integral over C f of x y z ds. F of x y z ds. Okay, so r bar of t. Okay, C is the line joining the points 0 0 0 and 1 1 1. So therefore r bar of t is equal to 1 minus t into 0 0 0 plus t into 1 1 1. So that is what? Tx plus ti bar plus t. I will write here ti bar plus tj bar plus tk bar. Okay. So this is same as integral C f bar dot dr bar. Okay. So dr bar is equal to what is that? Dt I bar plus dt j bar plus dt k bar. This is not f bar dot r bar. Okay. Just we find v bar now. V bar is equal to dr bar by dt is equal to I bar plus j bar plus k bar, and mod of v bar is nothing but root of 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is root 3. Okay. This is root 3. Okay. So I is equal to integral over C f of x y z ds is equal to integral over C f of x, y, z. Your x is what? T. Y is t. Z is t. Okay. So mod of p bar into dt. Mod of p bar into dt. Okay. So this is the formula. So now this is what? Then integration. See, limit of t here in your line segment. This is what? T less than equal to 1. Limit of t is 0 to 1. Okay. If it is line segment, your t, the range of t is what? 0 to 1. Okay. 0 to 1. Okay. So what is you have to put x is equal to t. This is what? T minus 3t square plus t into root 3 dt. Okay. So this is what? Root 3 into, we'll integrate this. Your t plus t is what? 2t square. Oh, this is 2t now. This is 2t. And integration of 2t is t square minus t cube. 0 to 1. If you put t is equal to 0, then this is 1. Actually, this is 0 now. The line integral is 0. Okay, so line integral 0. Remember this formula. Okay, so we'll do the next one. Okay, we'll solve one by one problem so you'll understand how to solve the problems. Okay, because what your curve will change, your problem will also change here. Okay, integrate f of x, y, z is equal to x minus 3y square plus z over c is the joining the origin to the point 1 1 0 and then to 1 1 1 and then 1 1 1. Okay, solution. Let I is equal to integral over c f of x, y, z ds. Okay, so this is same as integral over c1 f of x, y, z ds plus integral over c2 f of x, y, z ds, where c1 is the curve, is the line. Okay, where c1 is the curve joining the points the points 0 0 0 1 1 0, and c2 is the curve joining the points 1 1 0 2, joining the points directly. We will write this word 1 1 1. Okay, so therefore for c1 you can apply parametric equation. Is what? R bar of t is equal to 1 minus t. This is first is what? 0 0 0 plus t 1 1 0 plus t 1 1 0. So this is equal to what then? This is equal to t 0. This is equal to t 0. Means what? This is same as what? T I bar plus t j bar I will say R1 bar of t for this one. Okay, so R1 bar of t. Okay, we'll say then V1 bar and V2 bar then. Okay, so V1 bar is same as what then? I bar plus j bar. Okay, and mod of V1 bar is same as root 2. Mod of V1 bar is root 2. Okay, now R2 bar for C2. Okay, for C2 R2 bar of t is equal to 1 minus t. Your point is what? 1 1 0 plus t 1 1 1 plus t 1 1 1. Okay, so 1 minus t plus t is 1. It's 1. Okay, 1 minus t plus t, 1 minus t plus t is also 1, and 1 minus t, 1 minus t plus, this is t now, this is t. So this is same as what, then I bar plus j bar plus t k bar plus t k bar. This will check whether we are correct or not. Okay, I bar plus j bar plus t k bar. Okay, now v bar is equal to, you have to differentiate this. So you have to differentiate, this is what, then only this is k bar, because derivative of this component is constant, this is 0. So mod of v bar, then v2 bar, will say this is what, mod of v2 bar is equal to what, 1 only. Mod of v2 bar is equal to 1 only. Okay, so therefore I is equal to integral over c1, so this is 0 to 1. Okay, so f of, so what is here, tt0, f of tt0, tt0 mod of v1 bar dt now, plus this is also 0 to 1, f of the next point is what, then the for second one, second point is what, 1 1 t. So your x is 1, y is 1, and this is what, t. So mod of v2 bar dt. Okay, we will put the value now here. This is what, 0 to 1, f of tt0, f of tt0. Okay, f of tt0 is what, t square, t minus 3t square, your z is 0, into mod of v1 bar, what is v1 bar, is root 2 dt, plus 0 to 1, f of 1 1 t means what, this is 1 1, so this is minus 2 plus t. Okay, so minus 2 plus t, what is your v2 bar, is 1, so this is dt. Okay, so you have to find the value of this one now, you have to find the value of this one. Okay, so this is equal to integration of root 2, we will integrate this, integration of t is t square by 2 minus t cube, integration of 3t square is 3t cube upon 3, 3 get cancelled. Okay, so this is what, 0 to 1, plus minus 2t plus t square by 2, 0 to 1. Okay, so if you put t is equal to 0, then everything is 0, only you have to put the upper limit. So this is what, root 2 into 1 half minus 1 plus minus 2 plus 1 half, minus 2 plus 1 half. Okay, so this is equal to what, then root 2 minus half, and this is what, minus 4, so this is minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2. This is your final answer. So this you can write minus 1 by root 2 minus 3 by 2. Okay, so this is your required answer. You may simplify or keep as it is, that is okay. Next, we will solve number of problems on it now. Find the line integral, of f of x y z is equal to twice xy plus root z over the helix, r bar of t is equal to, we are given in terms of t, so no problem what you call for helix or whatever this. Okay, so cos of t I bar plus sin of t j bar plus t k bar. Okay, so the name is given helix, no problem for this one, name is what, whatever the name is given, don't bother about this one. Your parametric equations are already given to you. Okay, solution, given that f of x y z is equal to twice xy plus root z. Okay, so I is equal to integral over c f of x y z ds. Okay, so this is same as integral t, range of t, the range of t is provided to you. So 0, range of t is provided to you, less than or equal to pi. Okay. So this is what 0. Okay. So we'll write this is C, no problem. F of x, y, z, mod of v bar dt. Okay. Mod of v bar dt. You have to write in terms of limit in terms of that we will write later on. Okay. So your C is r bar of t is equal to cos of t I bar plus sin of t j bar plus t k bar. Okay. So your v bar is minus sin t I bar plus cos t j bar plus 1. Okay. And your mod of v bar is what? Root of this square plus this square. This square plus this square plus this square. Okay. So this is what? Minus sin t square plus cos t square plus 1 square. So this is root 2. Your mod of v bar root 2. Okay. So right now this. So therefore I is equal to integration from 0 to pi now. 0 to pi. Okay. So f of this. So you have to put x is equal to cos t. Y is equal to. Okay. So here what? X is equal to. Okay. We'll write somewhere. X is equal to cos t. Y is equal to sin t. Z is equal to t. Z is equal to t. Okay. So therefore I is equal to integration from 0 to pi f of x, y, z. So we'll directly put the value. This is what x is what? Cos t. X is cos t. So 2 cos t. Y is what? Sin t. Y is sin t. Sin t. Okay. Plus root z. Plus root z. So root t. Root t. Okay. This is your f of x, y, z. Into mod of v bar. Mod of v bar. What you get? Mod of v bar is root 2 dt. So this is what? Integration 0 to pi. I will keep this root 2 here. This is what? Sin 2t plus root t. Root t means what? T to the power half. I will write this t to the power half dt. Okay. So I will integrate this. Is what? Root 2. What is the integration of sin 2 t? Minus cos 2t upon 2 plus this is what? T raised to minus plus 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, 0 to pi. 0 to pi. Okay. So now this is root 2. If you put t is equal to pi, we have to put t is equal to pi. Okay. So if you put t is equal to pi, cos 2 pi is 1 now. Cos 2 pi is 1. So this is minus half plus 2 by 3 pi to the power 3 by 2 minus root 2. You have to put t is equal to 0. So if you put t is equal to 0, this will be 0. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. So this is minus 1 half. This is minus 1 half. Okay. So now root 2 minus half is there. This is plus root 2 minus half is there. So it gets cancelled. Only this is remains. So this is what? 2 by 3 pi root pi. Right? Pi to the power 3 by 2 means pi root pi. Or you may keep this as. Oh, this is what? Again root 2 is there. Okay. Root 2 is there. So this is what? Root 2 you have to multiply here. This root 2 get cancelled. But you have to multiply root 2 here. So this is what? 2 root 2 by 3 pi to the power 3 by 2 or pi root pi. This is also okay. Next. Evaluate C. X minus y plus z minus 2 ds, where C is the straight line segment, x is equal to t, y is equal to 1 minus t, z is equal to 1, z is equal to from 0 1 1 to 1 0 1. Okay, solution. Let R is equal to this, where C is this. Okay. Okay. For the point 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 is equal to t, 1 is equal to 1 minus t, 1 is equal to 1. Okay. So this implies that t is equal to 0. This implies t is equal to 0. For the point 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. We'll put here 1 is equal to t, 0 is equal to 1 minus t. Okay, and z is equal to 1 is equal to 1. This implies that t is equal to 1. That means your range of t is what? 0 to 1. Okay, so r bar of t is equal to t. This is what? X I bar plus y j bar plus z k bar. Okay, so plus 1 minus t j bar plus k bar only. Okay, so now v bar is equal to what? V bar, you have to differentiate this. So this is what? I bar minus j bar. I bar minus j bar. And your mod of v bar is what? Mod of v bar is equal to root t. Okay, I have the board is short, therefore I am writing. We have to write one by one now here. Okay, write just step by step. Don't write in the one line. Okay, so this is mod of v bar now. Okay, now we'll integrate now. We'll integrate this. Okay, so r is equal to integration from 0 to 1. 0 to 1. X is what? T minus 1 minus t plus z. Z is what? 1 minus 2. Okay, so this is what? Mod of v bar into dt. So this is 0 to 1. We'll simplify this. This is what? T plus t. This minus 1 get cancelled. Okay, so this is what? 2t. This minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Minus 2 into root 2 dt. Okay, so this is what? Root 2 integration. T square minus 2t, 0 to 1. So this is root 2. 1 minus 2. So this is minus 1. So minus root 2. Minus 1 minus root 2. Okay, so this is very simple. Very simple. Okay. Okay, so now we will stop here. We'll solve number of problems in the next session also.